Thank you, Mr. Speaker. So I think there is some discrepancies in this question. Trying to compare TELS, TALS, TELS, and TSLS. One is regarding loan, which the students are mandated to pay. And this new one is a TSLS, which is a scholarship scheme. And there is a quite big difference in terms of talking about amount owed. As compared to the previous one, amount is owed because they have to pay the loan. As compared to this one, this is a scholarship. And students are not supposed to pay any loan unless they have breached the condition where after graduation they are bonded, they have to work for a certain period of time, and if they do not work for that certain period of time, then of course there is a fee, a penalty which they have to pay to TSLS for breaching that condition of a scholarship. That is something I just wanted to clarify, Mr. Speaker. So we have to compare apples with apples and not apples with mangoes. So it is a clarity that needed to be made, sir, because as it is assumed that on the TSLS scholarship scheme, the students still have to pay. No. The students are expected to work after their graduation because that is the intention. Government is funding the students so the students can work, qualified to work, just like Honorable Ketana. He was one of the beneficiaries. Whether he paid off his loan or not a beneficiary, I might be corrected.